Hey, Rudy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tech. So from the title you can see that we're doing a review on,
bitch, you guessed it.
You guessed it, we're doing a review on this concealer and I am so excited. As you can tell, everything looks flawless. Like, I use this concealer for my brows, my eyes, and my face. Honestly, I'm just gonna give y'all the review right now.
Psych.
Y'all gotta watch this video. Please make sure to subscribe, okay? It don't take that long. I ain't giving y'all a pause or nothing. Y'all should be able to click it. If you don't, then you're ugly. Come join this pretty crew. All right, let's jump into this video. So before we get into this video, let's talk about this slay that I'm giving right now. Like, I have to like be on my own butt. Like, flawless. Okay, so we're gonna go in with my E.L.F Hydrating Concealer because of course that's what the video is about. Of course, like, I've already done my brows, eyes, face. Like, there's nothing else for me to really do. And I'm gonna leave the contouring alone for today because I wanna keep that soft highlighted look. Like I've said in my review, I love how big this applicator is. It is to die for. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spray my brush. I'm over here wasting product. And just so you guys know, I'm using this on top of the Too Faced Born This Way, right? Born This Way? Yep, Born This Way foundation, which I just bought some more of because we got the stimulus check. So I got my makeup. Surprisingly, I didn't buy too much makeup with the stimulus check though. Can you believe it? If anything, I bought a lot of clothes because sis, it's about that time. I'm so tired of the same outfits.
I'm tired.
You know what else I'm tired of? This coronavirus. I'm overtly tired. But on a serious note, I really am tired of the coronavirus. Like, I'm ready to live. I'm ready to make moves, bro. And it just seems like everything's at a standstill. But I will say that I'm happy that there is a benefit out of this. And that's with, you know, the earth kind of healing itself. And that just shows you that we are really messing up this world. And we need to do better. I do love how easy it is to blend and how just hydrating this is. Like, this is everything.
Sis, we're not using any setting powder today because I want to keep this fresh look going.
So you just, you know, blend that away. You already know it's all about the blending. All right, you guys, and this is how my highlight looks with using the E.L.F Camo Concealer. And I honestly love it. I adore it, bro. Like, this stuff is the
bomb.
I woke up early this morning. I'm like, today gonna be a good day. Today gonna be a good day. But please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you don't subscribe, you ugly. So let's just nip that in the bud. Nip that in the bud. Go ahead, click that button. Please, click that button. Click that button. Click that button. I did both sides because I don't know where I'm gonna put the button at. All of my social media, you know the deal. I always leave it on the side. So if y'all want to follow my stuff, I highly recommend that you do. And I just made a TikTok. You guys, I'm having so much freaking fun on that thing. Like, too much fun. But you guys, I'm just talking because I'm bored. But thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.